About this item: wide compatibility. Warmer smartwatch charger is compatible with model YAMAY SW021, Willful SW023, SW025 Let's Fit ID205L, Let's Come ID205G, ID205S, ID206, ID205U, ID216. Note: please check the model of watch is proper before you purchase and order. Strong magnetic charging, built-in pure copper probe. This USB charging cable comes with solid magnetic power. It can fast automatically absorb the watch to charge. Upgraded magnet enhances the charger's efficiency and speed. The magnetic design also won't damage your smartwatch. Fast and safe with rapid and steady conduction design. The smartwatch charger magnetic will charge your watch fully about 2 hours. The charger is equipped with overvoltage and overcurrent protection. The sports watch can charge safely and won't happen any safety issues. Durable and portable. This smartwatch charger is made of ABS material and flexible PVC. The charger cable had been tested bending more than 6,000 plus times. It's lightweight and easy to roll and store, suitable for home use, office, and traveling. No worry to buy please is assured, as the product comes with a 12-month warranty. To replace or for a refund, contact us directly, as we provide exceptional customer tech support. This item includes lifetime technical support. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: wide compatibility. Warmer smartwatch charger is compatible with model YAMAY SW021, Willful SW023, SW025 Let's Fit ID205L, Let's Come ID205G, ID205S, ID206, ID205U, ID216. Note: